Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help you connect your Dodge Durango garage door opener. First, let's clear any old programming from your home link system. Find the home link buttons, usually in your overhead console. Press and hold the two outside buttons for about 20 seconds. You'll see the indicator light flash slowly, then rapidly, letting you know the memory is now clear and ready for new programming. Next, we'll program your Durango's home link to recognize your garage door remote. Place your handheld remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Now, press and hold both your chosen home link button and your garage door remote's button at the same time. Keep holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow to a rapid flash, then release both buttons. For most modern garage door openers with rolling codes, there's one more step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and find the Learn or Train button. Press and release it firmly. You'll then have about 30 seconds to return to your Durango. Once back in your vehicle, press the home link button you just programmed twice, holding it for 2 seconds each time. If it doesn't activate, press it a third time for 2 seconds. Now it's time to test your newly programmed home link button. Press it to see if your garage door opens and closes. If it doesn't work on your first try, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few attempts. Simply repeat the programming steps, making sure to hold the buttons for the recommended duration. For specific details, always refer to your garage door opener's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.